Alright, so back. We got our faces in this now.
Nice.
Finally. Hopefully you can see us really well, and hopefully you can see the card videos really well.
A little better.
Yeah. We have 3 different unboxings for this. It's going to be 3 separate videos. Our very first one is going to be this one right here, this Ultimate Collections box. We have 2 Sun and Moon Guardian Rising packs, and this
Little binder.
box. Sorry, my arm got in the way. I had to reach over and get that. These were one of our favorite packs, the Pokemon Generation packs. Really love them, and we were debating on getting another one of these just to save the packs itself, which we will see later on. But our very first video, it's just going to be the Ultimate Collection 4 that we found at Target, which is basically their own mystery box version of what we picked up from Toys R Us and what they also sell at Walmart.
Yeah.
For half the price. But anyways, let's get to that. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Right here it says 60 cards, 1 EX card included, an oversized EX card included, trading card pack, a pin, a coin, and an online reward card. Always good. Basically the same thing written on the back. You can see that. Fairfield Company, manufactured, whatnot. Someone clearly tried to open this box at the store. It was not us. We don't have video proof of that, but it was not us. But yeah, let's go ahead and get opening. First thing we grab, Y Evolution. Some Y Evolutions. Looks like we have a pin and a coin, just as promised.
I think I'm very...
a Kel. Want to show that one? Keldeo pin. It's a nice looking pin right there.
Cool.
It looks like a Mega Rayquaza, silver. I don't know if you can see it there, or better here. Oh.
It's so cool.
Let's see what else we have. Oh, let's get our giant EX card out of there. What is it? Oh, it's a Gengar.
It's your favorite.
Yeah. Love Gengar. Gengar EX. I don't know, maybe this one you can see it a little better. This camera right here. Cool looking gigantic Gengar EX card.
That's so cool.
Looks like we got cheated because there was only 1 booster pack in there.
Well, no, because it's on the thing. It's only 1 trading card pack and then the 60 cards, which is this.
I guess we did not get cheated. Okay, so let's see. This Battle Arena deck. We shall look at what's inside there. Pokemon World Championship card thing, which was a bursting balloon. Showing this on both cameras, whichever one gets the better view. And our EX card is... we don't have this one. Oh, no. It's a promo card though. Salamence EX. It's a nice looking Salamence right there. And of course, our code card, which is a Steam Siege pack. Whoever gets to see that first takes it. Put that there, and our box is now empty.
Hopefully.
There.
Is it?
All good. Get rid of that. Alright. So curious as to what this one mainly is. Let's go ahead and do this one first. It's supposed to be the battle deck, and from the looks of it, it is, but with these reverse hollow energy cards and some hollow
Zoroark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this one's the only promo. I don't think these belong in the deck. These two, nor these. But yeah. Other than that, everything else seems pretty straight forward. Okay, so I guess that's not really
It's just the deck.
the make it or break it of this box, right?
Dude, this pin is so cool.
This is a nice pin. Well, that's our third pin to the collection, right?
Yep.
We only have 3 pins. Let's put that back there with our Gengar, we'll say, hopefully, and our Salamence, and this bursting balloon. And now let's get to this pack. Something good from this pack?
Hopefully.
Let's see. Let's go ahead and get that over here. Looks like it's an easy open here. Alright, and let's go ahead and do the card triggers. Card. That side, and oh, look, an upside down card. All upside down. This one's. I think these were repackaged. Someone. Let's go with oh, I messed up. So, a rare is a Doug Trio. Non-hollow Doug Trio. But I think these were repackaged. As you can see, they're upside down. There's Porygon. Okay. Pidgeot Spirit Link. Metapod. Another upside down card.
Well, now that's your beginning.
Pikachu. Staryu. Onix. Weedle. And reverse hollow Slowbro Spirit Link. And that one seemed like it was clearly repackaged. It doesn't have any signs of it, but yeah.
Well.
So nothing too great out of that.
Yeah.
I think this was probably the best one that we got from there, and it was just a promo card.
It's
Oops.
nice.
It's a nice promo card. Can be added out to our collection because we don't have it yet. But
And the pin.
an awesome looking pin. So yeah, that was the ultimate. Let's see if I can get that right here real quick. Collections 4 from Target. Honestly expected a lot more from this box right here. Probably shouldn't have, considering it was only like $15.
It was $15, yeah.
So
$14.99.
that was kind of disappointing, but because that was disappointing, instead of making another video for it, why don't we just go ahead and open up these 2 packs right here? Sounds good. Mix up for all that. So while I set up real quick, I did like a little fast forward thing right here. Guardians Rising right here. Hopefully we get something good. Alright, let's get this thing started. These were picked up at Rite Aid.
Yeah, they were.
For really nice price. Good card right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think. Yeah. Okay. 4 for this thing. So we got a Fairy Energy. Altar of the Sun. Metsing. That one. Clefairy. Sensical. Spellbound. Reptile. A Phantom. Reverse Hollow Upgrade. Oh, look, shiny Goodra. I haven't heard this one yet.
No, we don't.
It's a nice looking Goodra. Alright, next pack. Still hate how hard it is to open these things. Alright, oops. That is on. Another code card. There's a lot of code cards today. We got Dark Energy, Leaf Energy,
A lot of
Fighting Energy,
Okay.
Fairy Energy, Wilmer, a Talo, another Phantom, Cast Form, Nose Pass, a Reverse Hollow Tentacruel, and Dive Deeps. Oh, is that? That's not a hollow. That's not a hollow. Really? It's not a hollow. Well then, that was a disappointing 3 packs. But it's all good. We still have one more box to open. Her box. Meloetta Mythical box. And hopefully we do get something good out of that box. And we'll see you in the next one.
In the next one.